So this safety fuse is bad. It's not working. So I will replace this fuse. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Haseeb Electronics. This bracket fan, it's not working. Set multimeter to ohm. Connect one lead to input terminal. Connect second lead to second terminal and rotate the selector switch. So it have no resistance, no continuity. It's giving OL, overload. So let's see where is the problem. Check multimeter, set continuity, one wire to one test lead to one wire, the brown wire, and brown wire is here. Now check continuity, rotate the switch. So our switch is working. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Then we have to see the second wire, blue wire, and blue wire is connected here. So the blue wire, our input cable, input wire is okay. So we have problem in the motor. It is too much hard. We see it have too much dust, rust, and it is too much dirty, and it is sticky. Condition of this wiring is very bad. We can see it is heat up. The set is heat up from this point, this point. So we will open the sets and we will check them. So here I have fuse. This fuse is connected. If we see this main line coming here, one end connected directly to the capacitor, and the second end is connected through this component. It is 2 ampere fuse, this temperature thermal fuse. Let's check now. If I check this end, this end is okay, but this fuse I connected through this fuse, so this fuse is bad, this 2 ampere fuse, so it means we have problem here. So we found the problem. Now I will make short between the fuse wires. Now I bypass the fuse to check the circuit resistance. 387 ohm, 500 ohm, that's good. 0.6k, 600 ohm, that's good. So our winding is good, just only the problem was this fuse. So we have to remove it, and we will purchase new, and we will install between the 2 wires. So problem in this fan was this fuse. So this safety fuse is bad, it's not working. So I will replace this fuse between these 2 wires, and we will connect it. Thanks for watching. If this video is good for you, like, subscribe and share. Assemble it. Thank you.